Hey everyone, this is the demo presentation for CodeMonkey's master's project, and it's called WashU Buddy. So pretty much what's going on in the very beginning is we just scrolled through our main file application, and it's a Gradio application, and we just ran it in our terminal, and all we did was do Gradio, and then we called our file name .py. And then right now, what we're waiting for is the output of our application, and it should be a local host port, which we can click, and then we can see what the application looks like on a browser interface. Okay, so here we receive the local URL for our web application, and then what we're going to look at in the next few clips is the terminal output. So like some of our input inside the browser is what is Amazon, what is WashU, and we can see here that we update the chat history, and we'll take a look at the actual browser application in the next few clips. But if we look at what is Amazon, it says, I'm sorry, but information cannot be provided because we wanted to focus on WashU solely. So this is pretty much basically based off of all WashU course evaluations, course listings, WUGO events, as much data as we could possibly input into this. So it's pretty much only gonna output WashU based results. And then here's our next clip. This is the actual browser this is the actual browser. And as we can see, if we just look at this, it says what is the course title for this specific ID. And then the result was intermediate 4. So, and then we just ask a second question, what is the course credits for this specific course? And then it outputted 3 course credits. And then we're going to even include some more additional information, like what is the instructor for this course. And then some basic information, there's a clear button, there's our logo at the bottom. And then in the top right corners of our input and output text, we can see estimated times on how fast this is going to be estimated to work. And then here's another example of what kind of questions we can ask. So we just ask, what are some comments or some feedback from Douglas Shook, a professor's class? And then this is just some of the predetermined comments that we imported from data. And then here's one more example. We're asking about the upcoming events in the second week of November. So we're asking it pretty high level and complex questions that wouldn't necessarily be easy for a regular ChatGPT to find because we did not provide all the specific data. All right, so lastly, we just want to provide a quick snippet of some of our web scraping because there's a lot of data that we imported into our model. And obviously we can't just find all these spreadsheets and text files and PDF files online. So we have to create web scrapers to for example, go through all of the course listing and put it into an Excel spreadsheet.